Okay, guys. So today we're going to play a fun game. Raise your hand if you're ready to play a fun game. Or just be like, yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Only Miss Danielle? Where's everybody else out? Everybody say, yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You
I'm not ready.
get ready. I'm excited. So our game is called Comparing Sounds. Everybody say comparing sounds.
Comparing sounds.
So with this game, you're going to have to tell me if you heard the same sound or if you heard different sounds, okay? So we've been talking about same and different. Everybody has been talking about what's the same, what's different. So that's what we're going to do with this game. Example, if I, what is that?
Clap.
And then Miss Danielle,
Clap.
so is that the same or different?
Different.
It's different because I clap with mine, and she stomps with hers. Right, so it's not the same thing. It's different. Let's see. So if I, and then she, what is that? Same or different? Because we both clap with our hands. Right. All right, so I think you guys are ready to play this game. So listen up, open your ears, turn on your brains. You need some help? Ears on, brain on. Everything's activated.
You ready?
Everything's activated. Okay, and then the last thing. Good job, good job. The last thing, I can tell that everybody's hands, that everybody's ears are on, and everybody's brains are on. I can see that. So, what I need you guys to do, the next step of this game, what I need you guys to do is close your eyes. Everybody's hands are in their laps, and you're going to close your eyes. Sit up close. Close your eyes. Thank you, Ever. Heather's eyes are already closed. Chase and I already closed. Okay, everybody's eyes are closed.
But you have to have a bubble so you can
Yes.
hear the sound.
We have to focus so that you can hear. Okay, you ready? Okay. So, listen for the very first sound. Here's the first sound. Okay, second sound. Same or different? Right, what did I do? And what did Miss Danielle do? So that's two totally different things. All right, next. I'm ready. Okay. Same or different sound? Same. Good, good. All right. Next. Next. And same sound or different sound? Different. Who? You said it was the same? You think it's the same sound? Let's walk through this one. So I did what? What did I do? What did I do? Thank you, Akil. I stomped like this. You stomped with your feet. And then what did Miss Danielle do? She snapped. So she snapped with her fingers. Is that the same thing? Am I doing the same thing? Look at my feet. Are we doing the same thing? No, we're doing different things. So that's different. All right, we're gonna do one more, okay? Listen up. Listen up. Eyes are closed. Make sure your eyes are closed. Ready? Thank you. All right, listen up. Listen up. Thank you,
Alright,
Chase.
good job.
Listen up for the next. Thank you. Listen up for the next sound.